Hello friends, do you want to listen audiobooks, read audiobooks for free? So this video is specially designed for you. Today I will talk about a very good website. It's called Scribd, and I will tell you how to use Scribd for free. Friends, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, and if you visit me first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel and let me know into the comment section about your important opinion about how the videos helps you in your daily life. So let's begin the video. So friends, I have already copied the official website link. The official website link with an article you can find in our official website. The official website link is in the description below. Also, you can just log in accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com. Note, do not use www, just use http://accessiblecomputing.blogspot.com and you will get the article with all the relative links. So first I need to paste. Now I am pasting and press enter.
try.scribd.com/bandedbooks/selected document busy blank script read books audiobooks and more.
So here I need to find the redeem
Link double millions of link redeem your free 30 days.
Redeem your free 30 days. So before redeem my free 30 days, I need to generate a temporary email, because to use the trick, this is a legal trick. We are not allowed, or we are not applied any illegal trick. So before this, I am generating a temporary email. I'm going to temp
mail org temp document
so just mail. Creating a temporary email.
Clickable band button premium linked premium but to get missing im button on no next ed for and secure forget a button unlabeled graphic to get missing edit read only cycle 25 heading level 2 your temporary edit read cycle.
So I've just copied the email now.
Script read books script read.
I am clicking on redeem.
Only heading level 1 no credit heading link W the millions of ebooks audiobook link redeem your free 30 days.
Redeem your free 30 days. So I'm just clicking here.
Join Scribd link graphics Scribd logo search landmarks.
So join Scribd now. Here I need to sign in.
Clickable
or sign
link
up.
graphics search landmarks button search.
By the way, I'm using up arrow and down arrow. You can use tab and shift tab key to find it.
Link engine link upload. Visit link skip carousel menu bar link menu item ebooks menu item audiobooks menu item menu out of men search land button search engine upload link read user settings link read free for user skip carousel menu bar what is Scribd link ebooks 1 audiobooks magazine podcast sheet music documents snapshot sign up with Google opens in a new to get missing images.
Okay,
Scribd
so
sign up with Facebook open.
Sign up with Facebook. Don't choose this type of options.
Sign up with email link.
Yes, sign up with email. You have to choose the sign up with email option.
Join Scribd document. Join Scribd document.
Now I am pressing tab.
Sign up with email dialog. This site is protected by recap. Backlink focus. Sign up with email name required. Edit focused blank.
So here you need to type your email. I am pressing tab and the edit box is open. So you can type any name. I am just typing a name.
Accessible computing email required edit blank.
In email field you have to enter the temporary email which now you have generated.
Blank.
I'm just pasting it.
Email required edit focused cycle 25335 at alphaceti.com.
So I'm now just pressing tab.
Password required.
So I am choosing a password. Your password contains characters, special characters and numbers, and total 8 characters. So I am choosing learn audiobooks
num lock on
22. So I'm pressing tab.
Show password button. Send me updates from Scribd checkbox checked.
So I am not checking this box.
Send me updates.
I'm clicking
sign
on
up button.
Sign up button.
Unavailable. Joel save password. Alert this. Clickable link graphics Scribd logo. Mainland heading level 1 welcome to Scribd, your personal digital library.
Welcome to Scribd, your personal digital library. You just need to create a shortcut of this website and use this website for free. up to 30 days from your registration. After completing of your 30 days trial, use the same method, and for temporary email generator or direct access to direct link, you can visit our official website. Okay, so you can join our Telegram channel. I have already shared the link there.
Heading level 3 at read and listen in your browser or on your mobile device. Heading level 3 full-length content. Books on heading no next every. Don't worry, we'll email you before your trial ends.
Yes.
Button clickable. Main landmark button continue.
So just you have to click on continue.
Unavailable. Main landmark free with your subscription. Heading level 1. Click on that button filter.
That's it.
Links.
This is the way you can just export on yourself. I'm just showing you how can you use it for free, because it is very, very important. So to use it for free, because most of the persons are not able to avail the subscription charges or fees. Okay, so I'm giving all the details into the video description, so check it out once. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, share with your friends and family and groups, and let me know your valuable comment into the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.